Good morning, grade 5. How are you? I hope you all are fine, enjoying your vacations. Please take great care of yourself and your family. Welcome to your mathematics online lecture. And today we are going to do page number 9 and 10. Actually, we are just repeating the same concepts as we have done in page number 2 and 3. So, question number 1 is write the number names. It means that we have to write the number in words. Is it clear? The first part, like part A, is 48 lakh. 48 lakh. I have placed the place value chart here and just put the numbers like starting from the right side, from this side 0 in ones, then again 0 in tens, again 0 in hundreds. So we have completed a period here. The next one again 0 in thousands and 0 in 10,000s, 8 under lakh and 4 under 10 lakh. And when we are going to write the number, we will add this like 40 plus 8 equals to 48. It is 48. How? 40 plus 8. Is it clear? So this is 48 lakh. 48 lakh. Question number 2 is write the number placing your commas correctly. सबसे पहले तो आपको ये चेक करना है either the number is in millions or billions or in lakh or crore. That will help you to use the commas very correctly. And here the first part is 19 lakh. 19 lakh. So we just came to know about this like it is in Pakistani number system. It relates to Pakistani number system. lakh, crore ये हम किस में पढ़ते हैं? पाकिस्तानी नंबर सिस्टम में. और अगर यहाँ मिलियन या बिलियन होता तो it relates to international number system. And we know that in Pakistani number system there are 3 digits first, and after that there is a comma, and again there will be 2 digits more like 1000 and 10,000, and there will be another comma, and after that lakh or 10 lakh. To make it easier for you, I have just put the numbers here, and where you are where you can see that the house or the families are getting changed, like from units to thousand, we have to put a comma there. Then thousand to lakhs, then again we are going to put a comma there. Is it clear? In question number 3, place these digits, 7-digit numbers in Pakistani periods and write their names. They have given us the value and we have to write in Pakistani periods, like we have to put commas according to Pakistani number system, and after that we will write the value in words. We will write their names. For example, the value they have given us is 60,30,158. To make it easier for you, again I have just put the values in the place value chart starting from the right side, like 8 in ones, 5 it's tens, 1 is hundreds. We have to remember their place value, ones, tens, then hundreds, and 0 in thousand, 3 in 10,000, 0 in lakh, and 6 in 10 lakh. So if we are having two values like in lakh and 10 lakh, we will add them. So what it will become? If we add 60 plus 0 equals to 60, so it will be 60 lakh. But it will be 60 lakh. Okay. And if we talk about the thousands family, again we are having two numbers like 30 plus 0, it's equals to 0. So it will be 30 30,000. It will be 30,000. And if we talk about units, 1 is under 100, it's 158. 50 plus 8 equals to 58. So it will be like 60 lakh 30,158. Is it clear? D part is 80 lakh 206. Again, I have made the place value chart, but you can, if you know the places of the digits, then you don't need to make it. Okay, you can do it directly, like starting from the right side, or you are going to rate it like ones, tens, hundreds, then thousand, 10,000, lakh, and 10 lakh. It's 80. 80 plus 0 equals to 80. So we will write 80 lakh. There is no value in the thousands family, like 0 has no value. There is nothing. So we will go to the other side, like that is 206. It's question number 4 is write the numbers placing your commas carefully. First of all, you will check the number, either it's in lakh or millions. If it's in lakh, we know that it is in Pakistani number system, and if it is in millions, it is international number system. To put the commas, first we must have idea about the number, okay? And its B part is 33 lakh. It means that 30 plus 3, 33 lakh. ठीक है, 30 प्लस 3, इसका मतलब है जो लाख का कॉलम है उसमें 10 लाख में हम 30 का 3 मेंशन करेंगे और लाख में 3 आ जाएगा, 30 प्लस 3. इज इट क्लियर? सेकेंड, अगर हम इसकी वैल्यू देखते हैं, डेट इज़ 90,000. 90,000 टेंस में हमेशा वैल्यू मतलब 2 डिजिट्स की होती है ना, टेंस होता है टेंस, ठीक है? मतलब 90 प्लस 0, 90 प्लस 0, तो वो क्या हो जाएगा 90. और जो थर्ड है इसका वो है 567. 500, 100 के नीचे हम क्या मेंशन कर देंगे 5, और नेक्स्ट क्या हो जाएगा 67. 60 प्लस 7, ठीक है? तो 60 का हम 6 लिख देंगे टेंस में और वंस में चला जाएगा 7. अब जब हमने इस वैल्यू को नीचे लिखा है 33,90,567, जहाँ यूनिट्स की फैमिली ख़त्म हो रही है, वो पीरियड ख़त्म हो रहा है, वी आर गोइंग टू पुट कॉमा, ठीक है? फिर 1000 की फैमिली ख़त्म हो रही है, हम वहाँ भी एक कॉमा लगा देंगे. इज़ इट क्लियर? इट्स द टर्न ऑफ पेज नंबर 10 and its question number 1 is place the value in periods, first in Pakistani way and second in international way. We know that in Pakistani way there are 3 digits first in the first family, like in the units, ठीक है? In the second one there are 2 digits like 1000 and 10,000 in thousands family, and in the last one or in the millions, in the lakhs there are 2 values like lakh और 10 lakh, ठीक है? तो हमें पाकिस्तानी और इंटरनेशनल में सिर्फ इतना माइनर सा डिफरेंस अपने माइंड में एज अ ट्रिक रखना है कि पाकिस्तानी में पहले 3 डिजिट्स के बाद कॉमा आएगा, देन 2 and 2, ठीक है? और अगर हम इंटरनेशनल की बात करते हैं, देयर विल बी कॉमा आफ्टर द फर्स्ट 3 डिजिट्स देन द नेक्स्ट 3 डिजिट्स, ठीक है? वहाँ 3 का गैप के साथ में आएगा. इज इट क्लियर? And if we talk about the first question, that is 29,05,384. A part is 29,05,384. जब हमने इसको पाकिस्तानी वे में लिखा तो स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द राइट साइड 4 in ones, then tens, then hundreds, हमने एक कॉमा लगा दिया, ठीक है? Then 1000 and 10,000, 5 in 1000 and 0 in 10,000. फिर से हमने एक कॉमा लगाया क्योंकि यहाँ हमारी वो 1000 की फैमिली भी कंप्लीट हो गई. Then move to the next one. It is लाख और 10 लाख. अगर इससे फर्दर होता तो फिर हम वहाँ भी कॉमा यूज़ करते. ओके, come to the international way. There are like again 3 values in the first one, like ones, tens and hundreds. 4 in ones, 8 in under tens, 3 under hundreds, and we have put the comma. ठीक है, इसको separate करने के लिए, एक पीरियड बनाने के लिए. In the next one, 5 under 1000, 0 under 100, 10,000 and 9 under 100,000. ठीक है, यहाँ भी एक 1000 की फैमिली कंप्लीट होगी. एंड देन वी विल मूव टू द नेक्स्ट वन, दैट इज मिलियन. ठीक है, देन मिलियन एंड 10 मिलियन. समझ आई बात? इसी तरह से ये चलेगा. तो आपको थोड़ा सा केयरफुली, इसका ट्रिक ये है कि पाकिस्तानी में फर्स्ट 3 डिजिट्स के बाद आएगा देन 2 एंड नेक्स्ट 2. फिर अगर हम इंटरनेशनल की बात करते हैं, देयर विल बी आफ्टर 3 एंड 3. ओके. Question number 2, that is write the number names, and they have given us a value and we have to write the name like in the words what the value is. The first one is 4 million. We have to put in the place value chart, or you can just mentally or verbally, orally, you can count their place values, like starting from the right side, it's ones, tens, hundreds, then move to the next period, that is 1000, 10,000 and 100,000, and after that it's million. So what is the value? It's 4 million. It's 4 million. And if we talk about its F part, that is 2,840,000. 2,840,000. Starting from the right side, from the 0, that is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and million. So it is 2,840,000. ठीक है, क्लियर हुआ है सबको? Question number 3 is write numbers placing your commas correctly. Like they have given us the number name, and we have to find out the number first, and after that we will write the number. We will put the commas. Is it clear? The first one is 2,500,000. Just simply mention the place values, put the numbers there, and you will get the number. And after that, if it is in international number system, you have to put the commas very carefully, and if it's like in lakh or crore, it will be in Pakistani, and you have to put according to that. Its C part is 8,600,000. It is similar to the first one, so there is no issue, I think.